Hey guys, okay, this is a busy area. The corner of my kitchen here, my little corner sink. I've got a lot going on, but I'm going to take you kind of step by step on this flower arrangement that I'm going to do today. I would just do it live, but honestly, it's gonna be too long if I do it that way, and I need both of my hands, and I'm alone at the house. The kids are still at school, so I'm just gonna kind of lead you through my stories here. But I wanna show you something. I've got all these cute pots because I'm gonna do a post here on growing some herbs at home, and I found the cutest thing at Home Goods. And there's so many cute ones online, but look how cute these plant markers are. All these flowers and even some more behind me, but this is kind of weird lighting because it's right where the lighting is coming and it makes it kind of shadowy. So hopefully you can see, but we'll just kind of do the best we can, and it's gonna be a fun one. It's going to include produce, so there's your hint. Okay, so here's the first one that I put in. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, it's too pretty. I had to stop by a florist and just get a half dozen of them because they were just worth putting in this pretty arrangement. Okay, who guessed right? The produce I'm using are apples, little green apples. How fun is that? So the ones that are down low like this, I'm just using those skewer sticks like these. But when they need to be taller, I'm putting two together, and I'm just using electrical tape and kind of taping them in the middle to make them taller and just stick up like that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do that all the way around. Fun, right? Oh, and here is a perfect example. I forgot something you should do, just like when you're doing shish kebabs. You need to soak the skewers in water first so that they don't split. And I just did that. And then to hide the skewer stick, you can just place it around maybe a flower that has leaves coming off it like that. And then just use the leaves to naturally hide the stick like that. See? Easy. Stick really well. Okay, to hide the longer sticks or the taller apples, I'm gonna put it or let it weigh kind of down on a heavier flower like these pompons, these Euro pompons. And then, all right, one of the most important things when you're doing a flower arrangement, you've gotta have really good music, and you've got to turn your arrangement around in the back and on all sides and make sure it looks good all the way around, unless it's just facing front. Maybe keep me going. But anyways, got to turn it around, and whoa, I'm lacking some pink. I got a lot of green going on. So I'm going to start working on the back because the front is looking pretty good, but we need a little bit of party in the back here. So we're going to fill it in.